Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Yes. And guys, I have this here. It's a drawstring ponytail, high top puff ponytail, guys. And it's from Lula 2. Alright guys, and this is it. You can use it in the center, you can use it like a half back, make it big. I'll show you after. But guys, I'm going to show you my hair. So I'm going to show you my hair now. All right, guys. Woo. I'm going to turn it around so you can see it. All right, guys. So this is it. I make some baby hair, but I don't know where they're gone. I will insert a clip now. I was sitting in the back and I decided to take my time and cornrow my hair. So I will insert a clip just about now, just a little short one of how I braid it. All right, and then I'll come back. A little bit more of my hair. So I'm gonna cornrow it like this. And I'm just gonna cornrow everything down on it. All right guys, did you see that clip? It's just a little clip of me out in the backyard. All right, so that's how I braid it, and that's how I get this, and I made my baby hair. All right, now so we're gonna do a review on this here, Lula 2, and they're on AliExpress. And this here, it was $18 something, and they give me lashes, but I don't wear lashes anymore. You see mine? Natural. Okay guys, I just did my brows, and this is the hair. Woo, it's a big Afro puff. Can you see how big it is, guys? So I'm gonna show you. It comes with 4 clips, one there, one here, just right around it, one there, and it has the drawstring. All right, it's not natural, it's synthetic, but it's really soft and it's full. All right, so you can make it small like this, and you can put it on the top of your head. Look how full it is, guys, only 18 something. Or you can make it a little bit wider like this, and that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna make a half, like a half wig, because I can, my hair is so nice. We're gonna put it on. I'm gonna try to like fix the side first. So we're gonna put it there at the side, and I'm gonna put the back first. So the back gonna be like this, and I'm gonna like do like so. so it's completely covered. Can you see that, guys? The back is completely covered. Okay, all right. And now, can you see, guys? You can wear it like a half a wig. Can you see how far up it comes? But I don't want it this far up. Okay, I'm gonna put it like about here. And then I'm gonna draw the string a little bit, and I'm just gonna hide the string. I went to get 2 pins. Look, I got purple. Oh my dear. But anyhow, I'm gonna like put them right here. And then I'm just gonna play with it until I hide that part. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna turn it around, guys. I love it. Oh, I love it so much. Let me turn up the light a little bit. Guys, grab you one. I think I need to order a second one. Okay, guys, just for backup, I need to order me a second one. I am loving it, guys. Please go check them out. LULALA 2 TOO. Oh my god, go check them out, guys. I think I'm gonna order a second one. Believe you me, guys, this is gonna wear to work. I'm gonna order a second one so I can do like a high top, a low back, and then I will review that one as well. But check out this. Oh, $18, guys. $18. I am super in love with it. Look how pretty it is. Oh, it's not going anywhere, guys. And you can make the string shorter, and you can make like a high top ponytail. You can wear it as a half wig like this. Oh my god, it's super pretty. This is me rocking my natural beauty, right, guys? Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right, guys, love upon me and I love upon you, and you have yourself a wonderful day. Remember to check them out. Awesome company, fast shipping, maybe few days or few weeks, but you will get your money's worth. All right, guys. Bye, guys. See you later.